Imagine calling 911, and before the first police officer or firefighter even gets there, a drone is already hovering over the scene, sending live video back to dispatch. It sounds like something from the future, but it's quickly becoming reality. Brinc has just secured $125 million in new funding led by Motorola Solutions, and the company's goal is massive, bringing emergency response drones to police and fire stations across the United States. Brinc, a Seattle-based public safety drone company, has raised $125 million in a new funding round led by Motorola Solutions. The investment also includes Index Ventures and Figma's CEO Dylan Field, pushing Brinc's total funding to more than $250 million. But this isn't just about building more drones. The company wants to place a dedicated 911 response drone on the roof of every police and fire station in the United States. With roughly 80,000 stations nationwide, it's one of the most ambitious public safety drone projects we've seen. So why send a drone first? The biggest reason is speed. Every second matters during an emergency, and a drone can often reach the scene before officers or firefighters. That early aerial view helps dispatchers understand what's happening in real time. They can identify potential dangers, locate people needing help, assess a fire, or simply confirm the situation before sending responders into the unknown. Instead of arriving with limited information, first responders can make faster and safer decisions. The new funding will also help Brinc expand production. The company plans to move into a manufacturing facility 3 times larger than its current one by the end of the year. That means more drones can be built as demand continues to grow. According to Brinc, it more than tripled its revenue in 2025, while increasing production capacity 5-fold. It has also signed nearly 4 times as many emergency drone contracts this year compared to the same period last year. Its technology is already being used by agencies like the Los Angeles Fire Department, the St. Louis Police Department, and hundreds of other public safety organizations across the country. One reason this announcement stands out is Motorola Solutions' involvement. Many emergency agencies already rely on Motorola's communication systems. Since Brinc's drones are integrated into that network, dispatchers can launch drones using tools they're already familiar with instead of learning a completely new system. That could make it much easier for departments to adopt drone-first response programs without changing their entire workflow. As more agencies move toward drone as first responder programs, drones are becoming part of everyday emergency operations instead of being reserved only for special situations. Whether Brinc eventually places a drone on every police and fire station is still a big question. But with over $250 million in funding, a growing manufacturing operation, and support from Motorola Solutions, the company is making a serious push toward that goal. If this trend continues, seeing a drone arrive before the first emergency vehicle may soon become a normal part of calling 911. So that's our take on it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.